Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday and a great week. Well, today we're going to start this one. It's called Peony Cottage and I got it this morning from Fansells. And we're going to be starting on this section right here. And the color today is 3688 and it's kind of a rosish pink. Kind of a light rosish pink, if I could just say the words. And I wanted to share something that I got from someone at work. I did put that piece of tape there, but they made me a little origami cat. So it sticks on the arm up here where all my magnets and everything is, but I just wanted to share that. So yeah, let me pull you in so you can see what is going on. Man, I am so glad it's Thursday. It's been a very long week already. Didn't do much stitching yesterday. I worked a little bit on the rabbit in the library, but that was just about it. Still working on that bottom cushion thing. I don't know what else to call it. I keep going back and forth between that and that, what do you call it, olive green symbol that is just taking forever. But yeah, so today maybe I can sit in my rocking chair and have a really, really good light and finish that part today. So that's a plan. But, yeah, that's about all that I, stitched on yesterday. Don't have any plans with my daughter. So, yay. I guess we'll just stay inside, and I have no clue what I'm fixing for dinner. I may just pull something out of the freezer and call it good. But, yeah, just a little tired. I think all the quietness is just wore me out, you know. Just waiting for people to show up. They did have that highway reopened yesterday, so that was good. But, oh, I had more people than I did Monday or Tuesday, so it was a little bit busier, but yeah, it was enough. It kept me interested and we got through it. So no great deal. And the sun was out yesterday, but there was a little bit of wind, so made for a really good day. But I'm just ready to stay at home and watch Netflix and YouTube and just or listen to my audiobook, whichever happens first, second, and third. Because I don't believe I have to run to the grocery store for anything in particular. So that's a good thing. And before I forget, I did have two pictures from a viewer. It's from Sharon McDowell. And I'll put those right here. Okay, thank you, Sharon. Those are both finishes. We'll ring the bells for you. And the one I did put the title of the picture with the little caption box right in the middle because it had a QR code there and I just covered it up. So if any of you are interested, you can get in touch with Sharon and she can fill you in. But yeah, both of them are beautiful. Just gorgeous. I think she said they were for February and March, and they were gifts. So, very nice. Good job. If anybody else has any projects they'd like to share, or it does not have to be just cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you're into. And I forgot to get my scissors out. Let me see where I have to go this time. This is another one of those helter-skelter symbols, but we'll get it. The symbols seem to go in, like, we'll call them rivers of color. And there is some confetti there, but not too terribly bad. So what is everybody else working on? Are you working on stuff for Valentine's Day or totally something else? Let me know in the comments. Oh, to heck with it. We're just going to jump over here. Oh, put that on there so it would stay curled up there, but now I really got to get there. But if you have anything to share, my email address is in the description box below. And I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I can. So, yeah. Anybody going anywhere this weekend? I don't know if the weather is conducive enough to go anywhere. I think it's going to get cold here. I don't know about the snow part or anything like that. So, we will see. But, you know, it can stay away. It's not bothering me that it's not snowing. So, yay. I don't have to drive in it. Or scoop it off my car. Rain's a little bit easier that way. Maybe I'll try to get part of this sewn together here. I was going to do the yellow symbol, but it was a pale, pale pink, and I don't think you could even see it. Oh, itch. So, no grandiose plans. I don't know, I haven't heard from my daughter, so I'll try to call her today and see what she's up to. And we'll kind of go from there. I don't know how much further I can go with this thread. It's about to run out. I think we're just going to tie it off here. Pretty color once it gets stitched there. That's good. At least you can see it. I don't remember what the white is in this. I don't have access to an edge there, so I can't tell you from here. But it looks like there's some lighter colors up, you know, let's call it towards the top, and there's even darker ones there, so we'll see. We won't worry about it. We'll just stitch where we're... Oh, that's attractive. I put a complete knot in that. Awesome. Moving on. I don't think there's anything, you know, this time of year going on in town. They don't have much going on now up in Leadville, where my son lives. usually, I don't know if that's in February or if it's in January, they have this thing called ski joring, and people ride horses and they try to grab a ring off of something, and they have other little events, but they're all based around people riding a horse to grab something or whatever, or they race down the main street. So I don't even know if that will be in even possible if they have no snow. So I haven't checked with my son to see if they've been getting snow when we didn't or whatever, but we used to go and watch those events, and it'd be like 3 or 4 hours. Oh, and we'd just freeze to death standing out there, and it was awesome. So I haven't gone in years. I think my daughter and husband and the kids all went a couple of years when I first got here. So I don't know that they go now. So fun times. Yeah, I know I have no desire to stand out in the ice cold and watch that. I've been there, done that. I'll stay home. That's good. Do you need me to watch the dogs? I can do that part. Yeah. No. Not even fun. I didn't even like to go to ski events at the ski slopes. When we lived in this place called Breckenridge, while we were there, they had a celebrity, I want to call it like a celebrity ski tournament thing. I don't remember, but they had a lot of celebrities that would stay up there at Breckenridge. And at that time, my husband was working for the ski resort, so we got free gratis of that. And that's been, God, my kids were like just born, and yeah, barely born. So fun times. Did see LeVar Burton though when I was in the hotel. I was going up to see my husband at the time's sister, who worked upstairs in, let's call it accounting or bookkeeping or whatever she was doing there. Yeah, I got on the elevator, and standing at the back of the elevator was LeVar Burton, and I just got on, turned around, and right as I got off, I turned around and I go, "Are you LeVar Burton?" And he goes, "Yeah, I am." I go, "Oh, hi." And I freaked out, starstruck bullshit, and I'm sorry. I left. I didn't know what else to say. Yeah. So, yeah. That was my big claim to fame. I got to see an actual celebrity on the elevator. Are you kidding? I keep picking the wrong place. Oh my goodness, Lord Jean. Yeah, jeez. Long time ago. My kids are both almost 40, so that was a very long time ago. We're almost halfway across with this color. If the thread would cooperate here. Always seems like when I get it almost where I want to be, the thread starts acting up. Jeez. wanted to get this little section right here done. I made myself a hamburger last night when I came home. I was starving for some reason. I'm not sure why. That was pretty good, and it didn't take too long to fix. I keep forgetting to pick up the fish, so yeah, that was out. Because you know I like to fix fish and fries on Wednesdays, but yeah, past 2 times I've gotten paid. No, I've forgotten. And then I remember because I don't have it for my Wednesday. I'm just going to fold this in half here. I don't even know if you can see that. Let me pull you out. But I will bring it up and kind of tilt it so you can see where we did start. Yeah, I think it'll be just fine. Look, I got my little, I don't know what that is. It may be a peony. I'm not sure. I just like it. I got it out because it was a flower. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.